He'll lose in 5 seconds.
How'd you say that?
3, 2, 1.
Red Claw, all a pack of worthless dogs. Even their leader falls so easily.
Blood Shadow! Get off Red Claw land! Lori!
To a little girl like you, I don't even need a weapon. Now then, agree to be my and Gomez's slave, and I might let you suffer a little less.
I'd rather die.
Then die.
There's no other choice. I have to fight. Today, I may die here.
Mrs. Winslow.
My child, my son, I am your mother. The greatest pain of my life was failing to protect you 20 years ago, leaving you alone in that forest to see you again before dying. Knowing you're alive and well, that's enough for me.
She's my mother. That's why she cared so much about me. That's why she felt so familiar. And that's why she worried whether I could leave safely. Mom.
I thought Red Claw was already pathetic enough. Turns out there's more surprise! And you, a poor thing who doesn't even have a wolf. Marshall, what is he, a proof for your wife's affair with a human?
Beat me first, then!
Burn your wolf spirit? Since you're so eager to die, then all of you will die together. Your whole Red Claw pack will be buried with you!
Haga clic en el siguiente enlace. Puede ver la obra completa.